to Lunar, and today I'm going to be reviewing the new iPhone 13 Pro. This iPhone was released a few days ago, so now let's open the box, but ASMR version. Look how beautiful and tender this phone is. This is the eject tool and the charging cable. Here you see I have the gold color. Let's see what other colors we can choose from. We can choose the Sierra Blue, Silver, or Graphite. The iPhone 13 is starting from $16.99 in Australia. That is for 128 gig. But if you want to buy an iPhone with 1 terabyte, then you have to pay a whopping $25.69 in Australia. Oh my god, that do be expensive. Now let's talk about the features. The camera system has a triple camera with 12 megapixel sensor, telephoto, wide and ultra-wide cameras. It has 6x optical zoom and 15x digital zoom. The iPhone 13 can also record 4K videos at 60 frames per second. So, when you buy this iPhone from Apple, you have the option to trade in your old iPhone. Apple says this phone is made of surgical grade steel. Also, Apple says the screen has a ceramic shield which is very tough. The iPhone 13 Pro has a 6.1-inch screen. The 13 Pro Max has a 6.7-inch screen. Most specs of these two phones are identical apart from the battery life and screen size. This iPhone 13 Pro has Apple's A15 processor, also has 5G. In my house, I get about 600 Mbps speed with 5G. That is the end of unboxing the new iPhone 13 Pro. If you like this video, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and turn on that post notification button so you get notified whenever I make an amazing video like this. Bye for now!